Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw for you different types of ice cream. You all like ice cream. I also like ice cream. So let's see which types of ice cream I draw. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. First one I am drawing the cornetto ice cream. This is called cornetto ice cream. Now I am drawing a beautiful watermelon ice cream. This is called watermelon stick ice cream. Here I am drawing a beautiful rainbow stick ice cream. I draw the picture, now it's time to color it. Let's see how I color all the ice cream. Light green color, brown color, orange color, red color, another brown color, yellow color, light blue color and deep pink color. This is all color I will use in this picture. Here I am using brown color. This is a light brown color. And now I am using another shade of brown color. This is deep pink color. Light green color. Red color. And yellow color. This is orange color. This is light green color. Light blue color. Yellow color. This is red color. Here I am using brown color. yellow color, light blue color, deep pink color, and the last one I'm using light green color. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.